With rants and raves, you'll be okay. And today is your lucky day. It is Rants and Raves with Gary K.
Hey everyone, this is Gary K, and welcome to another edition of my Rants and Raves videocast. And we are counting down to InfoComm 2023. It is definitely going to be the biggest InfoComm show in 4 or 5 years. Stan Klebanoff, who's with ViewSonic. Stan, how are you doing?
I'm doing great. How are you?
I appreciate you joining me today. I think you're one of only 3 display brands that literally has every display technology on Earth, and you'll have all those in booth 16, 14 at InfoComm. And what I mean by that is that there's a lot of display companies that specialize in one kind of technology. Like there's a lot of LED only companies out there. There's companies that even just came out with that over the last 5, 6, 7 years came out with just collaboration boards. There's companies that just do projectors, but there's only 3 of you that build every technology, and you're probably one of the best kept secrets out there. But you have some of the coolest products right now. You have an LED that folds, which you're going to show, which I really like that product. And you're standing in front of a view board. So why don't you tell us what you're going to do at InfoComm?
So that's correct. We are a company that makes almost everything in the visual space. We consider ourselves to be a visual solutions company. Best kept secret that's been around for 35 years. So we have been, we're a very channel friendly company. We've been around for a long time, and we make everything from monitors to interactive panels. This is our view board that I have behind me. We do DV LEDs, we do commercial displays. Basically, if you can view it, we do it. That was from my U.S. colleague, Tom Watson. So I'm going to give him credit for that statement. But it's true. If it's a visual solution, we are actually in that business. And we're not just in it. We are leading in so many of these categories. We have products that we're going to show at InfoComm that encompass campus, corporate, and the home. So you're going to see things like gaming products that, of course, are home products, projectors. I'm going to talk about one in a minute. You're going to see commercial products, DV LED products for digital signage. We do it all. But yeah, you mentioned the view board. One of the exciting things we're going to show is a 105-inch view board. This is a 65-inch.
Yeah, and that 105-inch, I've seen it, is that product is actually 21:9, which is specifically designed for the Microsoft Teams front row specification. And that's a hot product right now. I'm a big believer in these products. I believe that these products should be added to rooms, not be the primary display in a room. But when you get to 105 inches in small rooms, it can be the primary display.
Well, for sure. And of course, Microsoft and Teams and the whole 21:9 front row experience is driving this. This product, as you know, it's 21 that way and 9 this way. And so you can see the power of this interactive. It's a big display. So you want it, if it's in a room and you're doing interactivity on it, you want it to do something like this. Look at that. Put it on a mount. Like the balance box mounts that we distribute, or a motorized mount.
An ADA, and that would solve ADA
compliant. You can move a mount like this, panel like this, or a 105-inch panel with just literally one finger, and that's important. So when you can use these large displays for interactivity, just put them on something that gives you flexibility. But this is exciting. It's going to be the highlight of the show for us. A lot of people don't know that ViewSonic, we're in the top 3 in the world market share. And it's because of this, our MyViewBoard ecosystem, the software that we have, that right now we've got over 8 million users worldwide, educators, corporate users. It's really incredible, the growth, because we own that. We own the software, we created it, and we just leapfrogged over the competition in its capability. So that's the 105-inch view board. Very exciting.
And speaking of, I know that you're going to have the foldable LED, which I love that product. I saw that product actually live a couple of weeks ago at the
Yeah.
Exertis Almo show, and you were doing a little demo where you open and close it, and it's not just for rental applications, but even for an application where a school where you're going to have class outside, or you're going to have an application to be able to move a very large display from a lobby area to even into a classroom.
Well, if you've been Infocom, and I know you've had many times, you know that DV LED is just an exploding category. It seems every vendor in the world has DV LED. It's just an incredible show. It's like being in Times Square. So we are a manufacturer that has DV LED, and to differentiate ourselves, we've got a couple things. Number one, DV LED is notoriously difficult to install, and with the ViewSonic product, it is easy. You can have a DV LED up and running with 2 technicians in a day. With our support, and we do that. Our service is unbeatable. So they're easy to install. They just all clip together magnetically. This product comes pre-assembled. It's a kit. So you can see the ladies standing in front of the full 135-inch panel, but you can see that it comes down, and the arms can fold in. You can roll this onto an elevator and take it around the building somewhere else, unfold it, raise it up, off you go. I actually have a slide here just to show you. This is how it arrives. So when the product arrives at your door, it is in a flight case. You take the flight case apart, you open up the wings, and then you raise up the panel on a motorized lift, and then you open it up, and you've got a digital signage platform for staging, for rentals, for commercial, for corporate campus use, ready to go. So yeah, exactly. Once you see this, and you can actually open the wings up while it's turned on, it's really quite impressive to see that.
Yeah, it's a great demo, and it's great because you don't see the seams. Like it's designed so well that when you open it up, you don't see the seams where it was folded.
Yeah, exactly.
So it's very impressive. Very impressive product. So what else are you going to have at Infocom? I know you're going to have other LED products there.
Yeah, keeping with the LED theme, go big or go home, right? So we are launching a 163-inch premium. So the difference between the premium and just the standard type of product is always pixel size, right? So this premium product has a 0.93 millimeters. So as you get smaller and smaller, the price does go up, but so does the quality of the product. You don't need big pixels or small pixels when it's on a building, doing digital signage. But if you're doing corporate and it's, you want to put a really great impression to your clients, small pixel size makes a difference. So we are launching this 163-inch premium DV LED at the show. So that will be something exciting to see as well.
And what else? What else are you going to have there? I mean, obviously, a lot of us have desktop monitors that ViewSonic is famous for, but projectors, I think, is one of those categories that a lot of people don't realize that you're in.
That's true. Now we have over 100 monitors, so and we have a solution for you no matter what you need. Touch screens from 10 inches all the way up to 43 and going up to 105 on the big categories, but a lot of people don't know that we are a big player in the projector business. We are actually #1 market share manufacturer in the world for LED. And LED is what's driving the growth in the projector business right now, because just like DV LED, LED projection, it's bright, it has long bulb life. There's no bulb, but it's got long light source life, so 20 to 30,000 hours, and it's low cost. No maintenance. So it's kind of the holy grail. So keeping that in mind, we have, and we've got this big gaming division. We have, a lot of award-winning monitors in gaming, and esports it's a growing category, as you know. So we have this X2 4K projector that's built with collaboration with Microsoft. So it is built for Xbox. So Xbox has exclusive refresh rates and resolutions that they work with. Of course, high refresh rates, 240 hertz, for example. So this projector is built to match up with your Xbox. So if you want to take it beyond the monitor experience for gaming, now you've got a projector you can hook up to your Xbox and have a 3,000 lumen, home experience with a projector that will keep up, for the gaming.
Well, I tell you, it's you're going to be at 1614. As I said, you're kind of one of the best kept secrets in display because a lot of people don't realize you have this breadth of product line. If nothing else, you should go by the booth to see the foldable LED. That's an all-in-one solution, by the way. Hook up one HDMI cable and you're off and running, just like hooking up an LCD.
Yep.
I want to thank Stan. Thank you very much for joining me today, and of course, we will see you at InfoComm. And remember, booth 1614. Put them on your schedule. And everyone, thanks for watching. We got lots more InfoComm coverage to go. All you have to do is go to raypubs.com/InfoComm. You can see all of our InfoComm coverage, or just go to raypubs.com. It's all there. Thank you very much, and have a great day.
Ray Radio with Ray.